Hey neighbor, Bigbenthiessen here with RE/MAX Executives and welcome to East Kildonan. That's right, we're here at 272 Hazel, Dell. We're in a fantastic location, close to all levels of schools, we're close to public transportation, close to shopping. Let's talk about this property right behind me here. Built in 2015, we've got a 2-story home, 3 bedrooms, we've got a master with an ensuite, we've got another full bathroom upstairs. On the main floor, we've got a nice big open living room, dining room, kitchen area with another 2-piece. We've got 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and we've got a full basement. It's partially finished, wouldn't take much to get it finished off. We've got a double detached garage, we've got a private deck, air conditioning. We've got so many great features going on with this property. You're gonna absolutely love it. Let's go take a look. So as we come off the kitchen, you've got a fantastic private deck. It's got storage space underneath. You've got a patio space area here, fully fenced backyard. And what's this? It's a double detached insulated garage. Wow, you are gonna love it here. That's gonna conclude our tour here at 272 Hazel, Dell. If you or anyone you know has any questions about this property, or maybe you'd like to book your own private showing, give me a call, text, or email. Or maybe you can think of the perfect person for this property. Add their name to the comments below or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor.